Content marketing has transformed how companies do business and interact with their customers. Merely distributing advertising message to your audience is no longer a viable strategy of increasing your website traffic and customer conversation rate. Since the rise of social media companies have become closer to their customers, becoming more communicative to gain their loyalty and trust. This has resulted in company having to force more on content marketing and developing solid content marketing campaign to increase their exposure and reach more potential customer. Today, if a company want to be successful and build their audience, they have to include more than blog post in their content marketing strategy. Expand the type of content that you are creating will help you company increase the number of customers that visit your website. When a business can increase the amount of traffic their website, see they have a better chance of improving their conversion rate and gaining their high profit. Including different type of content in your overall strategy will help to increase your customer engagement and build your company into any authority in the industry, one that customer can trust. Incorporating their 7 types of content into your marketing strategies will lead to an increase in target visitors, new traffic, higher conversion rate, and better ranking on search engine. Infographic. Infographic have become a favorite tool for business to use to draw often their complex data and statistics and organizing them into a compelling and readable, intelligible, visible display. Infographic tend to get shared more viewed more and more loved any other kind of content you can produce. Infographic have become an integral part of content marketing strategy when combined by diligent promotional endeavors. The highest reward of an infographic is essentially for you to create a impactful design loyalty. You must combine the right colors, font and shape to convey your valuable data in easily digestible format. You must also include accurate data like peer review source as well as data that is consistently relevant. Infographic are a powerful way to share your information in a expressly visual format, with the study finding that infographic were shared and liked on social media 3 times more often than other content. It has high potential for going viral. Videos. Videos continue to gain popularity as been as useful tools for showing the solution you can offer for common problem that your customer face. While there are much cheaper type of content that you can use, video survey as a way for your company to demonstrate that you will willing to get the extra mile for quality. A recent study concluded that including video on your landing page can increase your conversion rate by 86%. There are a variety of type of video that you can use to enhance your content marketing campaign. You might want to consider using how to video demonstration, animated explanation video or customer testimonial. The kind of video that you choose to is not important. What's important is that you create video that corresponding with your company overall style and the ethos of your brand. Create content that include video has the potential to provide you with 300% more inbound links The video you produce could have the potential to become the chief representation of your brand, so make sure they are all of the highest caliber. Images. Your reader will be more inclined to finish reading your content when you split it up. High quality, compelling images that are constantly relevant. Articles that include image tend to get 94% more view than those that don't, with attention span getting shorter than every. Thanks to the oversaturation of the digital content and the increased use of mobile internet access, creating content that a content big book of text has become extremely unappealing. When using image in your content marketing campaign, you want to be sure to use original photo or ones that you have taken because they create more personal touch to your marketing campaign. While high quality attractive image can be time consuming to develop and a bit expensive to purchase, you can use popular image tools to create unique and captivating image for free through a simple drag and drop use friendly interface. You can also use photo sharing site to purchase high quality photo for free. Just make sure you have the authority to use them to avoid them being used by your competition. Ebook. Using ebook as a part of your content marketing strategy offers several distances benefit, including long form content in your approach will allow your business to establish credibility in your industry and paint as an authority on the subject. They allow you to formulate both her message you are delivering and the expertise you aim to project to your target audience. Compared to other marketing materials, ebook are relatively inexpensive to produce. Aside from the time you spend creating the content to including in the book, the production cost are minimal as well as being efficient. The total time from concept to publication can take just a few weeks. Getting the content into the hand of your audience is also relatively simple. Many companies will offer the ebook through their website as a download in exchange for their email or other content information. If you want to increase your reach, you can make your ebook available through Amazon.com or other online digital self-publishing platform. Podcasts continue to be a popular choice for many businesses to use in their content marketing strategy and have seen recent exposure growth due to increased use of mobile phones. Podcasts don't require a lot of equipment to create and can be finished in a matter of hours. Business that utilize podcast can reach a broad audience and reach out new potential customer quickly. Even though podcast are a one-side medium, they help you build a relationship with your customer and gives listener the feeling that they know a person that is speaking, providing your potential and regular customer the opportunity to listen to podcast can be welcoming break for the ample amount of written content they are exposed to. A recent survey released 63% of those who listen to podcast purchase the product or service the host promoted. This shows the podcast can be used effectively to engage the audience and positively influence their buying decision. Memes. Not many people throw that memes, commonly known as images that are accompanied by humorous captions, would play such as a substantial role in content marketing. When memes first started to gain traction online, they were primarily shared by college students as a form for entertainment. Today, however, they have become any is to create unique form the visual content. They don't require any graphic design skill to create it. And you can use online site like memes generator or quick memes to add your tags to popular image. A great way to evoke positive emotion and set yourself apart from your competition is to create your own memes and share them with your audience. To use them successfully, you need to determine if the memes is appropriate for your niche and figure out where not will gain actual engagement with your audience. Another benefit of using memes in your content marketing campaign is that they allow you to create in joke about your industry. This is a great way to make your audience laugh and build a community around your business. Presentations. Presentation are no longer strategically for the boardroom. Business can now share their presentation with the world through a site like SlideShare. Using their kind of site can dramatically expand your company outreach. Developing an excellent SlideShare presentation can allow your business to inform and communicate to your audience, no matter the types of device they are using. Like infographic when developing your presentation, you want to use your attractive color and design to your draw and readers' attention to the content. Your presentation are like to including a ton of information, so it is important for you to be consistent with element like font color and borders. For your presentation to have the most impact, it should not only be entertaining but it should also provide your audience with actionable advice. Just like with any other content that you develop, it is paramount that you careful proofread your presentation for spelling and grammar error. You also want to make sure to include reputable source to back up your claims. Their kind of content tap into the emotional physics of your audience can engage them to learn more about your brand. If you produce high quality content, resonate with people and promote it on regular basis, your brand's reputation and awareness will skyrocket. However, if your content is badly designed or bland, you will end up doing more harm than good. You always need to be considering what your audience need. Avoid putting out content just to stick to your editorial calendar. Just like with any other content that you produce, it is the substance that counts. Even seven different type of content that you create.